So I have someone on the phone right now. I'm trying to get a contact for this company here. They're breaking the advertising laws in America.
I'm so sorry to hear about this, sir. Give me one moment.
It's okay.
Where are you located, sir?
I'm located in Atlanta.
Okay, here's the number 770
770
908
908
5698.
5698.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So, is there anything else you can help you with?
And the other, so this person, they have anything to do with the website where you have the false advertising on?
I'm sorry?
Does this person have any authority or control over your lycamobile.us website in which you have false advertising? Sorry, say that again.
We don't know as well.
You don't know as well.
Our official website is www.lycamobile.us.
That's correct. What I'm saying is the number that you have given me, 770-908-5698, do they have control or authorization in any way over the website?
No. They're just only a repeater.
So I need to speak to whoever is falsely advertising to the US consumer.
I'm so sorry, sir. I do not have any contact or any contact information to provide to you, sir.
So what about escalating the call, because your company is in, you know, you're breaking regulations in the USA and you're doing business here. This can result in very large fines.
What are the regulations that you're talking about, sir?
Well, the regulations that state that you cannot mislead or lie in an advertisement. And those, if you look on your page that shows the plans, you are advertising here that you have $23 plans and $29 plans, and the $29 plan will give you unlimited data with up to 4 gigabytes LTE. What you should have to do to comply with our laws here is actually state that that is only available. It doesn't have to go in the terms. This needs to go in the advert itself, not in the terms. The advert cannot lie. So the fact that the terms and conditions clarify that you have to have a SIM card after 2017 some date, this does not qualify you to give false advertising. And the person or persons need to be given notification. And by the way, this is being recorded, this call, because it's a government line. So you need to comply with this, or you will be up to the beginning of a $250,000 upwards fine. Do you understand that?
I understand that.
Okay, good.
That is our law.
That's right. You just need to comply with our laws and you will be fine. So you've been notified now. Yes, right. You need to comply with our laws. Yes. You're operating in the USA. What do you think?
And so we have terms and conditions about that, sir.
No, but that doesn't matter because you need to look at the law. You're advertising. Terms and conditions.
We know the law.
You don't know the law, or else you would not be advertising and then expecting that you can lie on an advert and then overrule that with the terms and conditions, would you? All right.
Okay.
Right. So you can act like this, and you're being recorded. By the way, all right. That attitude that you have, that's going to go out to all your customers. So you just carry on like that, and also look forward for the look forward to your massive fines. You fucking retard. Listen to you.
Same to you. That is your first warning, and do not tolerate the kind of language.
Oh, fuck off, you freak.
Same to you.
Bye, cunt. Bye, you piece of shit.
That is your third warning.
Oh, you're a piece of shit. What? Fuck you little cunt. Why do I want to listen to you? What? Yeah, okay. Whatever. Yeah. Oh, you sneaky little Indian that you are. Oh, yes, really? What? What's that? What's that? I can't hear. What? What's that? I can't know. What? Oh, what is that? I can't. Oh, what? I can't. Oh, what? I couldn't hear you.
What else? This call is recorded as well.
Yeah, it doesn't matter if it's recorded. You're a disgusting, horrible person, and you're recording the fact that you're a disgusting. You should feel bad. You should feel bad. You should feel bad that you are a disgusting person who just has a mobile company that is served by your own family because you can't even escalate a call. And this is why you're cackling away like a disgusting witch with a big bent ugly wart nose. Yes, that's why. Because you know that you're lying on your website. You know that the law doesn't move quickly here. So what you're doing is you're making profits. This is why I'm advertising this on Scam Assassin, which actually shows what a scumbag you are, and all social media channels. That you see that? That is the phone line. This is the people you deal with. These are the people. When you use this mobile company here, that's the people who are profiting. Some scumbag in a call center somewhere in India. Really? You see that? Now pretending to be American. Anyway, that's the scumbag that you're dealing with. This is another episode of Scam Assassin. That was probably Grace, the same person we spoke to before. They maybe give a different name when everyone who rings up, they probably give a different name. But that's who you were dealing with. So just make no mistakes about that. That's Lycamobile. Understand that these advertisements are false, and what they believe they can do in this country is simply say, look, we're going to offer you the world. We're going to offer you this plan here. Actually, we give you unlimited data at full speed, and in terms and conditions, actually we don't. And they think that flies in America? No, it doesn't. It might fly in Pakistan. It might fly in India, which is where this company's from. But it doesn't fly in America. Unfortunately, it takes a long time for the wheels of justice to move here. But when they do, companies like this go under because they can't pay the fine. Well, they won't pay the fine. They're too stingy. That's why they're too stingy to hire anyone but their family members in the call center. And you have a person like this retarded moron who answers the phone. Really?
Seriously?
Yes, you're a scumbag piece of shit. You see the cackling there again? See that? That's customer service for you.
You know what?
That's customer... What's that? Oh, bye.